Hi guys, Tim here. I have a palm tree install today. We'll be doing 4 6 to 8 foot Florida Sabals for a customer over in Richmond, Texas. I have quite a few Florida Sabals myself, maybe 20 or so in my yard, ranging from, this is probably my smaller one over here, about 6-7 feet tall, and my biggest one, let's see, where's it at? Somewhere right back here. That's probably about 15-16 foot trunk. It's probably 95 degrees, humid, a lot of mosquitoes after all the rain we've gotten lately, but love getting these palms planted for people. So let's go get it done. This is one of my favorites in my own yard. It's got a nice little curve to the trunk. Shades the hot tub. All right. That's not too bad.
No.
He said they've been there 5 years.
It's all one.
So soggy. Yeah.
At least 1 year.
Yeah. We were talking about it earlier. He said maybe 5 years since they died. That's my boy Juan. Want to say hi to my video, Juan?
Hi.
The holes. Let's see if that's shallow enough. Let me get the root balls back here. That was probably a little bit too deep. Over there. And the last hole being dug over there. Let's go grab the palms. So we move everything by hand. Here we go. I'm carrying the heavy stuff. It's got a nice outhouse for the cats. You can go into their house right there. See a little kid. I'm scared of it. Phone number 3.